My video guide is about getting rid of fake Windows Defender Security Center alerts that also claim to be the messages from Windows support, but this is a totally fake alert. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. These fake alerts quote this fake Windows support number +1 855 225 4244. Keep in mind that this is indeed a fake Windows support number and you should not trust these deceptive and fake alerts. Do not interact with them. Simply leave this deceptive page. We also recommend that you carefully research your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.